Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be continuing first lesson of the grade 8 geography book, which is our solar system. Okay. So I'll put the link to the part 1 of this lesson in the description box below, so then you can go to that link and post that part 1 and come back to part 2, which is this video. Okay. So today we'll be doing composition of the solar system and we'll be looking into the sun, the main body of the solar system. Composition of the solar system. Okay. In Sinhala, අපේ සෞරග්‍රහ මණ්ඩලයේ තියෙන සංයුතිය. කවුද මේ සෞරග්‍රහ මණ්ඩලයේ ඉන්න කට්ටිය කියලා තමයි අපි අද සාකච්ඡා කරන්නේ. The sun and the other celestial bodies which are bound by the gravitational force of the sun belongs to the solar system. Okay, so who are the members of the solar system? The sun and other celestial bodies which are bound by the gravitational force of the sun belongs to the solar system. Okay, so this solar system is kind of like a family. Okay, so sun is the main member. Okay, main member of the family, and there are some other celestial bodies who are the family members of the of this system. Okay, so by what they are bound? They are bound by the gravitational force. Okay, so all these celestial bodies and the sun are bound by the gravitational force of the sun. The celestial bodies found in the solar system are the sun, you know, the main body of the solar system. Planets, the largest celestial bodies of the solar system. Smaller planets, which are dwarf planets, natural satellites, and millions of other rock particles or debris, which would be asteroids, comets, or meteoroids. Okay, so this is basically the composition of the solar system. So remember, our solar system is just like a family, and who are the family members? Sun, planets, dwarf planets, natural satellites, and rock particles. These are the family members of the family called solar system. Okay, now see, this is a diagram of the solar system. Here you can see we have sun in the middle, and then we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune at the end. So we have something special in between Mars and Jupiter, which is the asteroid belt. We'll be discussing about this asteroid belt later on, so I won't be discussing them in depth. But just remember, we have asteroid belt in between Mars and Jupiter. So this is basically the composition of the solar system. This Ceres, Eris, and Makemake, Pluto, these are the dwarf planets. We'll be discussing them later on. Okay, hope that's clear for you. Let's move to the next part, which is the sun. So now we'll be discussing about the main member, the main body of the solar system, who is the sun. He is like the father of the family, or maybe it could be mother as well. Okay, so basically it's the main member of the solar system. The sun. Sun is the main source that provides energy for the existence of life on Earth. Okay, so if I ask you the main reason for the existence of life on Earth, then your answer should be the sun. Okay, ඉර නිසායි අපි හැමෝගෙම ජීවයේ පැවැත්ම තීරණය වෙන්නේ. ඉර නැති කාලෙක අපිට ජීවත් වෙන්න බැහැ. මේක ප්‍රධානතම හේතුව දැන් ඔයා හිතලා බැලුවොත් ඔයා ජීවත් වෙන්න ප්‍රධානතම හේතුව මොකක්ද කියලා ඔයා ආහාර ගන්න නිසා. ආහාර කොහොමද එන්නේ කියලා ඔයා ඈතට හිතාගෙන ගියොත් ඔයා අපි හිතමුකෝ පාන් ගෙඩියක් කනවා කියලා. ඒතර පාන් හදන්නේ මොනවාවලින්ද? තීරිඟු වලින්. පාන් පිටි වලින්. පාන් පිටි ගන්නේ තීරිඟු වලින්. තීරිඟු කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? ශාකයකින් අපි ගන්න දෙයක්. ඒතර ශාක හදන්නේ කොහොමද? ශාක හදන්නේ හිරු එළිය ලබාගෙන තමයි එයාගේ ආහාර නිෂ්පාදනය කරන. බලන්න හැම දෙයකම අන්තිමේ the sun, මේ sun කියන කෙනා ඉන්නවා. එතකොට මෙයා තමයි එනර්ජි එක අපිට ලබා දෙන ප්‍රධානතම source එක වෙන main source of energy. Okay, the sun lies at the center of our solar system, so it's in the middle of the solar system. The massive amount of heat A massive amount of heat is generated at the core of the sun as a result of fusion and thermonuclear reactions. Okay, so basically due to these two reactions which are called as fusion and thermonuclear reactions, we can see a massive amount of heat is generated in the core of the sun. So what about the temperature? See, it's 15 million degrees Celsius in the center or the core of the sun. And in the surface, it's 6,000 degrees Celsius. So we can't even go near sun because if we go there, we'll be roasted. අපි ළඟට ගියොත් අපිව පිච්චිලා මැරෙයි. ඒ විශා අපිට දැන් වතුර උතුරන කේතලයකින් අත තිබ්බත් අපේ අත පිච්චෙනවානේ. එතකොට හිතන්න මේ වගේ විශාල උෂ්ණත්වයක් තියෙනකොට නටන වතුරක තියෙන සෙල්සියස් අංශක 100ක්. එතකොටත් අපේ අත පිච්චෙනවා නම් මේ තරම් උෂ්ණත්වයක් තිබ්බොත් අපිව පිච්චිලා අලු වෙලා යයි. Will be dust. Okay. Several important facts about the sun are given below. 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system, all the substances that belong to the whole system. So if we take the total mass of the solar system as one, then 99.86 of the total mass is consisted by the mass of the sun. So it's one of the main, it's the main mass, it has the total mass of the solar system, which is 99.86%. Its extent is 109 times of the diameter of the Earth. So when we compare the diameter of Earth to the diameter of Sun, it's 109 times bigger. The diameter is 1.4 million kilometers. Do you know what diameter is? It's something that's related to mathematics, but I'll quickly teach that one. If we take a circle like this, okay, then if this is the center, this is radius, okay, this is radius and this is diameter. Okay, so that's the diameter. This is diameter, okay, radius and diameter. So when we compare the diameter of Earth to that of the sun, it's 109 times bigger. Okay, it's a source of energy that provides energy and heat to all the planets in the solar system, not only to Earth but also to all other planets. It provides energy and heat. Solar storms occur on the surface of the sun, and on such occasions flames would burst out of the sun. So we can see solar storms or coronal loops that's happening on sun's surface. Sun revolves around its own axis. That's something important because sun revolves around its own axis. එයා තමන්ගේ කක්ෂය වටා කැරකෙනවා. එනේ තමන් වටේ එයා කැරකෙනවා. සරලවම කිව්වොත්. For one rotation it takes 25.4 earth days. එතකොට ඉර තමන්ගේ වටේ එක වටයක් කැරකිලා එන්න ඒ හිටපු තැනටම කැරකිලා එන්න කොච්චර කාලයක් ගන්නවද? අපේ දින අපේ පෘථිවියේ දින වලින් දින 25.4ක් ගන්නවා. Okay, so that's all about sun. We will quickly look into a video about sun, and then we'll be done with sun. Okay, hope you can hear. Okay.
While billions of stars are scattered throughout the universe, the one at the center of our solar system plays a special role for us here on Earth. Our sun formed about 4.5 billion years ago in the Milky Way galaxy's Orion Spur. It was born when a cloud of dust and gas, known as a solar nebula, collapsed. And in the middle of this formation, matter condensed into a burning ball of gas that became our sun. The sun's fiery nature, along with a tremendous gravitational pull and an extensive magnetic field, helped it to become the heart of our solar system.
So that's about how this sun was formed. Now we'll look into this thermonuclear fusion and reaction that we talked of a while ago.
In the core, temperatures reaching at least 27 million degrees Fahrenheit, combined with the sun's powerful gravity, fuse together hydrogen molecules to create helium. Called thermonuclear fusion, This releases an enormous amount of energy in the form of radiation, electricity, solar wind, and, as we experience on Earth, life-giving heat and light.
Okay, did you understand? When these two hydrogen atoms fuse together, it forms helium, and from this reaction, it forms a huge amount of energy and heat. So, due to this this huge amount of energy and heat, life uh, begins to exist. Okay, exist.
Such volatility is contained thanks to the sun. Despite its size and strength, the sun will not last forever. In about 6.5 billion years, it will run out of its hydrogen fuel, expand to envelop Mercury, Venus, and even Earth, and then collapse into a small star known as a white dwarf. In the meantime, the sun will continue to play a critical role in the system that bears its name. The sun's protective magnetic field, tremendous gravitational pull, and ability to create vast amounts of energy will protect, contain, and give life to our solar system.
Okay, so that's about our sun, the main body of our solar system. Hope it was clear for you. So I'll meet you again in my next video, which is the part 3 of our solar system lesson. Thank you for watching.